From the moment a baby is born, their tiny bodies are exposed to a world teeming with bacteria, viruses, and other potential threats. Breast milk acts as a natural shield, providing a powerful defense system tailored specifically to their needs. This extraordinary liquid nourishes not only the baby's body, but also fortifies their immune system, helping them thrive in those crucial early months and beyond. Unlike any other food source, breast milk adapts to the baby's changing environment and developmental stage. It delivers a complex blend of antibodies, immune factors, and nutrients that work synergistically to protect against infections and lay the foundation for lifelong health. Understanding the remarkable properties of breast milk empowers mothers to make informed choices that profoundly impact their baby's well-being. In the first few days after birth, the mother's breasts produce a thick, yellowish fluid called colostrum. Often referred to as liquid gold, colostrum is a concentrated powerhouse of immune factors and nutrients that are vital for a newborn's health. This first milk is low in volume, but incredibly potent, perfectly designed to meet the unique needs of a newborn's developing digestive system and immune system. Colostrum is rich in antibodies, particularly secretory immunoglobulin A, IgA. These antibodies coat the baby's gut lining, creating a protective barrier against harmful pathogens. Colostrum also contains white blood cells, including macrophages and neutrophils, which act as the body's first line of defense against infection. These cells engulf and destroy bacteria and viruses, preventing them from entering the bloodstream. As colostrum transitions to mature breast milk, its composition continues to evolve to meet the baby's changing needs. Breast milk contains a diverse array of antibodies, including IgA, IgG, IgM, and IgE. These antibodies provide passive immunity, meaning they are transferred directly from the mother to the baby, offering immediate protection against specific pathogens. Beyond antibodies, breast milk contains a remarkable array of immune factors. Lactoferrin, for example, binds to iron, making it unavailable for bacterial growth. Lysozyme breaks down bacterial cell walls, effectively killing them. Oligosaccharides, complex sugars found in breast milk, act as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the baby's gut. This healthy gut microbiome plays a crucial role in overall immunity. Numerous studies have demonstrated the profound impact of breastfeeding on reducing the incidence and severity of illnesses in infants. Breastfed babies have a lower risk of ear infections, respiratory infections, gastrointestinal infections, and allergies. They are also less likely to develop chronic conditions such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer later in life. The World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life, followed by continued breastfeeding alongside appropriate complementary foods for up to 2 years or beyond. This recommendation is based on a wealth of scientific evidence demonstrating the significant health benefits of breastfeeding for both mothers and babies. Section 5. Beyond immunity. Long-term health benefits of breastfeeding. The benefits of breastfeeding extend far beyond infancy. Studies have shown that breastfed babies have a lower risk of developing chronic diseases later in life, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain types of cancer. Breastfeeding has also been linked to improved cognitive development and higher IQ scores. The unique bond and close physical contact during breastfeeding also foster a strong emotional connection between mother and baby. This early attachment lays the foundation for secure relationships and emotional well-being throughout life. Moreover, breastfeeding provides numerous health benefits for mothers, including a reduced risk of breast and ovarian cancers, osteoporosis, and postpartum depression. Section 6. A holistic approach. Healthy lifestyle and vaccinations. While breastfeeding provides a significant boost to a baby's immune system, it's essential to remember that it is not a standalone solution. A holistic approach to health includes other crucial factors, such as maintaining a healthy lifestyle for both mother and baby. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and minimizing exposure to toxins. Vaccinations are another vital component of a comprehensive approach to disease prevention. Vaccines work in tandem with the immune system, providing targeted protection against specific diseases. It is important to follow the recommended vaccination schedule provided by healthcare providers to ensure optimal protection for babies and children. Section 7. Seeking support on your breastfeeding journey. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but it is not always easy. Many mothers face challenges, especially in the early weeks and months. Seeking support from healthcare providers, lactation consultants, and support groups can make a world of difference. Lactation consultants are healthcare professionals with specialized training in breastfeeding. They can provide expert guidance on latch, positioning, milk supply, and other breastfeeding concerns. Support groups offer a safe and welcoming space for mothers to connect, share experiences, and find encouragement from others who understand the joys and challenges of breastfeeding. Section 8. Embrace the power of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is a precious gift that provides a powerful start in life. It is a natural investment in a baby's health, development, and well-being, with benefits that extend far beyond infancy. By understanding the remarkable properties of breast milk and embracing a holistic approach to health, mothers can provide their babies with the best possible start in life. Remember, every drop counts. Whether a mother breastfeeds exclusively, supplements with formula, or pumps breast milk, each feeding provides valuable nutrients and immune factors that support the baby's growth and development. Embrace the power of breastfeeding and celebrate this incredible journey of nourishment, love, and connection.